Hello, everybody. We want to take a moment today to recognize our graduates on their graduation day here at Hoxie High School in recognition of our class of 2020. Our first graduate, Benjamin Paxton Allmiller. Ben will be joining the United States Marine Corps. Addison Marie Campbell. Addie will attend Cloud County Community College to study pre-physical therapy. She is the recipient of an athletic scholarship in volleyball from Cloud County Community College, the Pete Henry Foundation Scholarship, the Hanson Student Scholarship, the Indian Pride Booster Club Scholarship, and the Hoxie Hot Rodders Scholarship. Ashlyn Noel Dornkamp. Ashlyn will attend Fort Hays State University to study interior design. She is the recipient of the Pete Henry Scholarship and the Gerald and Geneva Campbell Memorial Scholarship. Andrew Ray Foote. Andrew will attend Notre Dame to study finance and data analytics. He is the recipient of the Hoxie Rotary Scholarship, the Hanson Student Scholarship, the Sheridan County Amusement Company Scholarship, and the Indian Pride Booster Club Scholarship. Brian Gerard Gomez. Brian will attend Fort Hays State University and study computer science. He is the recipient of the Al and Isabel Cranwitter Memorial Scholarship and the Kathy Bergen Schultz Memorial Scholarship. Jennifer Sue Hansen. Jennifer will attend Colby Community College to study veterinary nursing. She is the recipient of the Pete Henry Foundation Scholarship, Career and Technical Education Scholarship sponsored by the Hanson Foundation, the Sheridan County Conservation District Scholarship, and the Opal and Adolph Harris Estate Scholarship. Parker Shane Jones. Parker will attend Fort Hays State University to study radiographic diagnostic imaging. He is the recipient of the Pete Henry Foundation Scholarship, the Tim and Linda Frazee Memorial Scholarship, the Sheridan County Amusement County Scholarship, the Hoxie Recreation's Youth on the Move Scholarship, and the Opal and Adolph Harrison Scholarship. Ashlyn Nicole Kaus. Ashlyn will be joining the United States Marine Corps. Ariana Tunes Lundgren. Ariana is undecided on her institution but plans to study nursing. Beth Opal Moulton. Beth will attend Colby Community College to study visual arts. She is the recipient of the Leroy B. Rychek Memorial Scholarship. Tia Nicole Robbins. Tia will attend Northwest Kansas Technical College to study automotive mechanics. Victoria Jean Rucker. Victoria will attend Fort Hays State University to study mathematical education. She is the recipient of the Bill Felt Memorial Scholarship, the Hanson Student Scholarship, Hoxie KNEA Scholarship, the First State Bank Scholarship, and the Indian Pride Booster Club Scholarship. Macy Day Schamberger. Macy will attend Tabor to study psychology. She is the recipient of the Pete Henry Foundation Scholarship. Jace Tanner Storr. Jace will attend North Central Kansas Technical College to study nursing. Alexia Lane Terlumpke. Lexi will attend Manhattan Area Technical College to study nursing. She is the recipient of the Pete Henry Foundation Scholarship, Career Technical Educational Scholarship sponsored by the Hanson Foundation, Sheridan County Alumni Association Scholarship, and the Sheridan County Amusement Company Scholarship. Wiley James Alexander Weems. Wiley will attend Heartland Helicopter to study aviation instructor's license. He is the recipient of the Pete Henry Scholarship. Dylan Michael Weimer. Dylan will attend K-State University to study marketing. He is the recipient of the Kansas State 1863 Landmark Award, the Pete Henry Foundation Scholarship Award, Sheridan County Amusement Company Scholarship, the Equity Bank of Hoxie Scholarship, Hoxie's Recreation's Youth on the Move Scholarship, and the Indian Pride Booster Club Scholarship. Ethan Richard Wilson. Ethan plans to join the workforce after high school. Congratulations to all our graduates. Our formal commencement ceremony will be held on July 18th, 2020 at 3 o'clock in the high school auditorium. We hope that you can all come and support our graduates. Thank you.